Oh, that's going up to the side one, isn't it? The eyebrow is going. That's the song.
I don't fucking know, he's just shaving. He's just shaving his stomach.
I shaved my face earlier on, man. It shaves fucking.
Give me my tree blade.
It wouldn't shave the cheese off your knob. that's how bad that is.
Yeah.
I'm telling you now.
It's only for getting out the stubble.
Yeah, it shaves shit off your knob. It would shave.
It's not to give you a clean shave.
Yeah, no. But I thought we were gonna close that fucking.
No, it goes down the stubble.
Look,
See what Chris has
See
there.
what I have.
that's
what
not
it
even.
does.
This shit here.
Give me it.
That's not even stubble. Shut your mouth.
Making a video of Robert shaving his face.
Don't record him shaving his face.
Yeah.